The Vivo V15 Pro is a good handset as we have seen from our review and other videos. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and now we've got our hands on the 8GB variant of the V15 Pro, so we thought of bringing this unboxing to you. The box is very similar to most Vivo handsets, but the primary difference you'll see here compared to a regular V15 Pro variant is the RAM, which is now displayed as 8GB. The V15 Pro is made in India, and inside the box you first come upon the case, some documentation and the SIM ejector pin. Further inside is the V15 Pro itself, and we have the ruby red color variant, which is noticeably different in terms of pattern at the back compared to a topaz blue which we unboxed earlier and featured in our videos. Also included in the box is a dual engine fast charger that supports up to 9V at 2A, and you also find micro USB cable as well as earphones in the box. The case is something that we particularly liked as is TPU clear with rubberized edges, and the edges and sides with rubber protected from drops and scratches, while the clear back still shows a gradient back. The V15 Pro is great in terms of camera quality, display and battery life, and if you're looking for a device under 30k rupees that meets those requirements, the V15 Pro 8GB is one you should consider. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next one. Please do hit the subscribe button if you like this video.